Students from the University of Swaziland who are doing their journalism and mass communication subjects or studies will be attached at the Swazi TV, where they will be doing their internship. The students were welcomed by the acting CEO, Ncedisi Mayisela, who assured them that they will gain the knowledge relevant to their course of study, especially in the newsroom where they will be attached. He says he hopes that Swazi TV as well will gain something from the students.
We take this opportunity to welcome them who are here to do their internship from today, I think up until the end of January. Not only do we have students from the University of Swaziland, but we also have a student from South Africa who is currently studying towards a degree in motion picture at the institution of AFDA in South Africa. We take pride as Swazi TV to partner with institutions such as the University of Swaziland in training students during this time of the year. We hope that their stay here will be beneficial to them, but not only to them, but also to us as the Swaziland Television Authority.
Tobile Kunene, who spoke on behalf of the students, thanked the Swaziland Television Authority for the opportunity. She says they have learned the theory part of journalism. They are now looking forward to do the practical part of it.
It's a wonderful opportunity. We hope to work together in order to bring broadcasting in our great country into new heights and bring it into Vision 22, and of course to bring it into first world status level. We'd like to thank the board of members of the Swazi Television Broadcasting Corporation for working with the University of Swaziland, and hopefully this will bring about a change, a wonderful change within the Broadcasting Corporation. And of course we aim to attain some good values and some good working skills from the corporation, as well as to also add something and to add our own ideas and hopefully make something wonderful out of the opportunity of our being here at the corporation.
Amongst the students is a student from the university in South Africa. They will be with Swazi TV for 2 months, which is December and January 2018. I am Kiani Msibi with Smuva Shonga for Swazi TV News. Mbabane.